I welcome you for today's topic on discussion bookkeeping versus accounting. I am Professor Muralidhar Prasad, professor in banking and finance area. I request you to subscribe my channel Banking and Finance on YouTube if you are visiting for the first time, and I also request you to please press on the bell icon provided so that you will receive all my latest video notifications to your mail. I also request you to please share and like my videos. The topic today I will be discussing will be bookkeeping versus accounting. Let us understand first what do you mean by bookkeeping and accounting. In a business, bookkeeping as well as accounting are equally important. Bookkeeping is useful in recording of financial transactions, whereas accounting is useful for interpreting, classifying, analyzing, reporting, and summarizing the financial data. It means, in general, bookkeeping is record maintenance, whereas using of that books is the accountant's job. If you look at the exact academic definition, bookkeeping is mainly related to identifying, measuring and recording financial transactions. It is the job of the keeping all the records intact. Accounting is the process of summarizing, interpreting and communicating financial transactions which were classified in the ledger accounts. So post completion of bookkeeping, the accounting activity will start. The accountant is a one level user of the books prepared by the bookkeeper. The objectives of these two are also different. The objectives of bookkeeping is to keep the records of all financial transactions proper and systematic. Whereas the objective of accounting is to gauge the financial situation, means to examine, to verify, to analyze, to study, to understand, to look at the financial situation and further communicate the information to the relevant authorities or the stakeholders. So as I said in the just 2 minutes before, accounting starts where bookkeeping ends. So that is the objectives of these two departments are different. The level of activity also, in case of bookkeeping, financial statements are not prepared as part of the activity. Their only activity ends at the level of ledger posting. Whereas accounting department will prepare the accounting statements, various financial statements, and they submit to the audit department, they submit it to the various banks, etc. etc. They also analyze and look at the performance of the business. Bookkeeping does not require any extra special skills. The basic financial recording knowledge is sufficient. And today, because of the softwares or new technology, bookkeeping has become a little more easier than when people were recording manually. Accounting requires a special skills due to its analytical and complex nature. So here analysis is involved, not preparation of books, not just preparation of financial statements, but understanding, looking at the performance of the business, analyzing, commenting, preparing reports, etc. etc. is involved. So some more extra skills are required in case of accounting. Basically, there are two types of bookkeeping, single entry bookkeeping and double entry bookkeeping. Whereas in accounting area, this kind of difference doesn't exist. They are supposed to prepare financial statements, be it budgets, plans for loan taking, proposals, etc. etc. They all do that. The analysis part, the process of bookkeeping does not require any analysis, I already told you. Whereas accounting uses bookkeeping information to analyze and interpret the data and then compiles it into various reports and statements. Suppose a cash flow statement has to be prepared. Cash flow statement won't be prepared by the bookkeeping person, whereas it will be prepared by the accounting department. Similarly, decision making process also. Management cannot take a decision based on the data provided by the bookkeeper or bookkeeping department, because only collection of the data, verifying the veracity of the data and recording the data in books. So there you will not have any bird's eye view information. So management cannot make any decisions out of that. Whereas depending on the data provided by the accountants, because they prepared the balance sheets, the profit and loss accounts, cash flow statements, if for banks they also prepare CMA data statements, etc. So the management can take a critical business decisions, a view on the entire business. They can have a bird's eye view and they can take a decision basing on the information provided by the accounting department. So this is some information, a comparison between bookkeeping and accounting. So thank you very much for being with me. If you are a first time visitor, I request you to please subscribe my channel and also press on the bell icon. I also request you to please like and share my videos with all your friends. So thank you very much friends. We'll meet in the next topic in the next video.